everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll be explaining to you various science experiments for you to try on at home. Have a look.
Hi friends, welcome to the experiment. In this experiment, we will be studying natural indicators, that is turmeric and litmus paper test. So as you guys are aware, substances are of three types: acidic, basic and neutral. Usually, acidic substances are sour or corrosive in nature. Basic substances are bitter and soapy in nature. Usually, acid substances can liberate H plus ions or have hydrogen ions in their molecules. And basic substances can dissociate OH minus ions or OH minus ion is present in the molecule. Now, when an acid reacts with a base, it results in the formation of a salt which is neutral in nature, and as a byproduct, we also get water. Since this reaction results in the formation of a neutral compound, the reaction is called as neutralization reaction. For example, hydrochloric acid, which is an acid, reacts with a base, that is sodium hydroxide, results in the formation of sodium chloride, which is nothing but the normal table salt which we consume in our food, and as a byproduct we have water. Now coming to the indicators, natural indicators are some of the indicators which are used to distinguish between acidic and basic substances. One of the famous indicators is litmus paper. When a blue litmus paper is dipped into an acid, it changes its color into red. And when a red litmus paper is dipped into a base, it changes into blue. Similarly, there is another indicator which is turmeric, which is available in all the houses. Turmeric changes its color to red when it is mixed with a base, but continues to remain yellow when it is added into an acid. We must not get confused here, because litmus paper turns red in the presence of an acid, whereas turmeric turns red in the presence of base. Now, we will have a look experimentally as to what all of this indicates. Now, in this experiment, we will be using the two natural indicators, that is turmeric as well as a blue litmus paper, to see as to which of the two, that is the lemon juice as well as soap water, is an acid and base. Now this is soap water and this is lemon juice. I will be adding the natural indicator turmeric to both of them. Now we will give it a mix. Now, it's observable that both the solutions have changed their colors. As we studied earlier, when turmeric powder reacts with an acid, it continues to be yellow. Whereas turmeric powder, when reacted with a base, turns into red color. Now, in order to confirm our observation, we will use the litmus paper. The blue litmus paper is supposed to turn red in color when dipped into an acid solution. Now let us see if it happens. As you can see, the blue litmus has turned into red color when dipped in the lemon juice solution. Therefore, lemon juice is an acid and soap water is a base. Thank you and bye.
Everyone, today I'm going to do a very simple and very fun science experiment in front of you all. The experiment is called magic pepper experiment. For this, we have taken a shallow plate and we're going to pour some water into it. Let's fill it to the brim. And now we're going to add a little bit of pepper flakes into the water. Now I'm dipping my finger in a little bit of soap solution and I'll put my finger among the flakes. As you can see, the flakes have moved apart. The magic pepper science experiment is a lesson in surface tension. Ordinarily, pepper flakes are lighter than the water, which is why they float on top. But the surface tension of the water keeps the flakes in place, unless the container is shaken. But when you add a soap to the mixture, suddenly the surface tension is removed, causing the pepper flakes to fly outward suddenly to the edges of the container. It's just like how water is difficult to move through, but when you skate on ice, you slip and slide like crazy. So I hope you enjoyed the experiment and should definitely give it a try yourself. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I am going to perform an experiment for which you'll require 2 pans, one filled with water, half a cup of water and half a cup of milk. And I've turned on the gas flame as well. Please do perform this experiment when there's an adult around and be cautious. Now a minute has passed. Do you see the tiny bubbles forming there in the pan? These are called water vapor. These are formed due to the water vapor. When water is present near the surface, it gets heated due to the gas flame. This heat makes the water molecules lighter, and since they become light, they start rising up. This is when they form bubbles. This shows that the water has boiled. Do you see? On the other hand, in this pan, there are no bubble formation. Instead, the milk is rising up. Why is it so? Why does the milk rise and the water doesn't? This is because milk also has water present in it. It is made up of 84% of water and the rest is fats and proteins. The fats and proteins form a layer above the water molecules. So when the water gets heated and starts forming water vapor, the creamy layer, the fats and proteins, they form an upper layer and suppress the water vapor. So the water vapor exerts pressure and the milk starts rising.
Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. I'm Vanshika and I have some more fun experiment for you to perform at home. So let's get started. For the next experiment, we need a bowl, a shampoo and the corn flour. We'll mix it up, the shampoo with the corn flour, and let's see what happens. As you can see, we have mixed the shampoo and the corn flour together. Now we'll mix it well. We may use our hands too to have a proper mixture. After mixing it up for the next 5 to 10 minutes, you may notice a solid formation has been formed and your slime is ready. You may make any figure, any formation, any shape you like to make through it. As you can see, I made a cute smile through the slime. So it's now up to you what you wish to make through it. All the best and thank you.
Hello again. I hope you all had a fruitful learning experience watching this and learned something new. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.